Hari Om. Sometimes we don't need new answers. We just need to remember who we are. Pure, divine, eternal, infinite soul. Chetan Sakhi Sabhajo Mata Anand Rupaya. A soulful Sindhi bhajan. It's a radiant reminder of our true identity. The pure, divine, eternal, blissful, immortal, all-pervading self. Each verse of this bhajan makes us experience the true state of self-realization. Let's walk together through this beautiful bhajan and let it awaken the joy that we are, the Anand Swarup within us. Chetan Sakhi Sabhajo Mata Anand Rupaya, Brahma Vishnu Shankar Sat Leher Pehnji Bhaya. I am not this body, not the fleeting mind. I am Chetan Sakshi, the conscious witness of all that happens. I am the creator like Brahma, the nurturer like Vishnu, the transformer like Shiva. I am the ocean that witnesses the creation and dissolution of the waves. I am the soul that witnesses the creation, sustenance and dissolution of my own world. When we awaken as the Sakshi, as the witness, we stop blaming life. We realize that the divine is within me, as He made me in His own like image. He gave me the free will to design my own life. Like Brahma, I create my day every day. Like Vishnu, I sustain it as per my choices. And at the day end, I go to sleep, dissolving the entire day's happenings like Shiva. I am the creator, the experiencer, the observer. I am the silent witness, detached from my body and mind, and also from the world outside. Detachment is not born from rejection of the world, but from joyful authorship of our own divine play. जगत ही अनातम तेखे त चंगिया रीत जातुम अंदर पाए झाती पहंजाही गीत गाया एडो आनंद रूपाया. This material world is soulless, temporary, and a grand illusion. But when I turned inward, I found the real music, the divine song within me, the presence of divinity itself. Real bliss doesn't come from the outer world. It blossoms in inner silence. In that silence, we are so immersed in the devotion of the divine that we create our own divine music. We get connected to the divine within us and see Him all around us in everything, everyone, everywhere. The heart then becomes the instrument of reverence for the self, for God Himself, imbibing true wisdom and spreading it all around. And true music of the soul is joy beyond reason, everlasting and eternal joy. Each one of us is that joy itself. व्यापक ब्रह्म जो ही मुहिंजो स्वरूप सोही पुजे जिते न वाणी उते लिव तो लगाया एडो आनंद रूपाया. The all-pervading divine, that is my true nature. Where words fail to reach, my being reaches and unites with the divine. God cannot be spoken, He is way beyond words, but He can be experienced. When we live in our true identity of the soul, we don't just pray, we become the prayer. And in that silent space, beyond words, the soul merges into the divine. सूरज चंड ए तारा चिमकन जे चौधारी तिनखे तेज देही पहंजाही रंग रचाया एड़ो आनंद रूपाया. The sun, the moon, the stars, their glow, their radiance reflects the light within me. With that divine light, I paint the colors of my life. My soul is not the seeker of light, it is the light itself. When we shine from within in our true identity, the whole cosmos becomes our canvas. This is the truth. It's our light within that lights up the world around us. And with my light, I orchestrate this divine play of life. रचे पाण बाज़ी वरी रहा नितमा राज़ी उथंदे वेहंदे दम दम हलंदे चलंदे दम दम खाइंदे पियंदे दम दम शिवो हम धुनी लगाया एड़ो आनंद रूपाया. I designed this life play, this divine play, and now I rejoice in it moment to moment. Like God said, I am one but I want to be many, so one became many, and that divine is within me. So I have designed this life play and now I am rejoicing in it every moment. And this acceptance, this realization is liberation, that God's will is my will. The one who embraces every moment with joy becomes a living yogi, ever in union with God, even in action. In our true identity of a soul, we recognize how powerful and finite and all-pervading the soul is. Every breath becomes a mantra, every step becomes surrender. Life is lived beautifully in oneness with the divine. Sarva jo pyaro, vari sarva gunan kha nyaro. Amar ajar atam, shivoham shuddha sadaya, edo anand rupaya. I am the beloved of all, beyond all traits, qualities and roles. I am immortal, pure, unchanging, infinite, Shuddha Shivoham, the eternal soul. When we rest in our truest, highest identity, the pure, immortal, ever-existing, joyful, divine self, that's when the ego dissolves. That's when we merge in the infinite and we attain oneness with the divine. What remains then is only love. What remains is only joy, eternal joy. So let's internalize today and every day, every moment, that each one of us is not merely seeker of bliss, but each one of us is the bliss itself, Anand Swarup. Know that I am the joy that remains when all noise ends. I am not what I do. I am the one who witnesses, the one who is love itself, the one who is immersed in oneness through every breath. I am joy, I am bliss, I am love, I am pure, divine, eternal soul. Chetan Sakhi Sabjo, Mata Anand Rupaya, Anand Swarupaya. Indeed, I am that. Chetan Sakhi Sabjo, Mata Anand Rup Aaya. Chetan Sakhi Sabjo, Mata Anand Rup Aaya. Birma Vishnu Shankar Sat Leher Penji Bhaya. Birma Vishnu Shankar Sat Leher Penji Bhaya. Chetan Sakhi Sabjo, Mata Anand Rup Aaya. Jagat hi anatam, dekhet chaniya reet ratum. Jagat hi anatam, dekhet chaniya reet ratum. Andar पाए झाती, अंदर पाए झाती, पहन जा ही गीत गाया, एड़ो आनंद रूप आया. चेतन साखी सभजो, माता आनंद रूप आया. व्यापक ब्रह्म जोई, मुहिंजो स्वरूप सोई. व्यापक ब्रह्म जोई, मुहिंजो स्वरूप सोही. पूजे जिते नवाणी, ओ पुजे जिते नवाणी उते लिव तो लगाया एड़ो आनंद रूप आया चेतन साखी सभ जो मत आनंद रूप आया सूरज चंड तारा चिमकन जे चौधारी सूरज चंड तारा चिमकन जे चौधारी तिनखे तेज ॾेई हाँ तिनखे तेज ॾेई पंहिंजा ही रंग रचाया अहिड़ो आनंद रूप आया चेतन साखी सभ जो मात आनंद रूप आया रचे पाण बाज़ी वरी रानित महाराज़ी रचे पाण बाज़ी वरी रानित महाराज़ी उथंदे वेहंदे दम दम हलंदे चलंदे दम दम खाईंदे पीअंदे दम दम शिवोहम धुनी लगाया अहिड़ो आनंद रूप आया चेतन साखी सभ जो माता आनंद रूप आया सर्व जो प्यारो वरी सर्व खां नियारो सर्व जो प्यारो वरी सर्व खां नियारो अमर अजर आतम अमर अजर आतम शिवोहम शुद्ध सदाया अहिड़ो आनंद रूप आया शिवोहम शुद्ध सदाया अहिड़ो आनंद रूप आया चेतन साखी सभ जो माता आनंद रूप आया बिरमा विष्णु शंकर सत लहर पंहिंजी भाया चेतन साखी सभ जो माता